everyone, this is Keely with Honda of Keene, and this is the 2019 Honda HR-V Touring. The 2019 Honda HR-V Touring has some excellent performance specs, like a 141 horsepower, 16-valve SOHC IV-Tech engine, standard real-time all-wheel drive with intelligent control system. You also get the Eco Assist system, and you get up to 34 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, we have LED headlights with auto on-off. We have a one-touch power moonroof with a tilt feature. We have heated, body-colored power side mirrors with integrated turn indicators. We have the body-colored underbody spoiler, and you get smart entry with walkaway auto lock. Here on the interior, we are wrapped in some gorgeous leather. We have that 60/40 split rear seat back. We have a 7-inch high-resolution display with electrostatic touchscreen and customizable feature settings. We have the Honda Satellite Linked Navigation System with voice recognition and Honda HD digital traffic. We have Sirius XM, HD radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you get that multi-angle rear view camera with dynamic guidelines. The 2019 Honda HR-V Touring gives you Honda sensing, which comes with some great safety tech, like forward collision warning, lane departure warning, collision mitigation braking system, and so much more. So if you're thinking about the 2019 Honda HR-V, the fully loaded Touring might be the best trim for you, so come on down to Honda of Keene, 567 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at hondaofkeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!